A subscription to Fusion 360 opens the door to a vast array of design, simulation and manufacturing capabilities to help your business thrive. So what happens when your business grows? Well, Fusion 360 can grow with you, with a range of cost-effective Fusion 360 extensions which can help meet your growing business needs. Unlike APIs, plugins, add-ins, and apps available from the Autodesk App Store, Fusion 360 extensions unlock more advanced design and manufacturing technology which is fully integrated into the Fusion 360 environment. To help discover new designs that reduce weight, increase structural integrity, and extend durability, there's the Generative Design extension, which harnesses the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence, letting you explore unlimited ideas which are optimized for specific materials and manufacturing techniques. To boost the CNC machining capabilities of Fusion 360, the machining extension unlocks more advanced 3- and 5-axis CNC machining capabilities, including automated hole drilling and surface finishing techniques, 5-axis collision avoidance, in-cycle probing, and more. And to support the use of metal powder bed fusion machines for additive manufacturing, there's the Additive Build extension, which lets you automatically orient parts and build support structures, as well as generate and visualize additive toolpaths for these machines. Fusion 360 extension access is flexible. Each extension can be purchased individually or together, either inside Fusion 360 itself, via the eStore, or from your salesperson. eStore purchases can be made with a range of payment options, with an additional option to use Autodesk Cloud credits from within Fusion 360. And because it's flexible, access can be on a yearly subscription or shorter terms such as on a monthly basis, letting you add or remove more users if your business demands change throughout the year. So whether you want to increase your design productivity, boost your machining capability, or print high-value metal additive parts, Fusion 360 extensions will give you the advanced technology and flexible access you require today, as well as continuing to grow to meet your business needs in the future.